Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And you guessed it, tomorrow is departure day for Alaska. So I have gone through the bike front to back. Make sure all the bolts are tight, checked everything, chains all in good order, lubed up, ready to go. I have got my soft bags, my Moscow Moto soft bags are ready to go. All my camping gear and all my things I'm going to need, I got in the 40-liter duffel that'll sit on the back seat. And then also on the back, I'm going to have this top case. I'm going to bring it. I'm not going to put a lot in here. It's mostly all this is going to be camera equipment and stuff that needs to be locked up if we're off the bike. So that's what I want to do with that. And then of course an extra gas can, because I'm gonna need some extra gas once we get up into Alaska. There's gas stations are few and far between. So, you might ask yourself, why did I mount the gas can to the bike? I didn't really want to. It was a pain in the butt, and I'm only gonna be using this thing probably twice. So after that, I don't really know what's gonna happen to it. We'll see. All right, so with that, if you're gonna be following along, I should hopefully be posting shorts hopefully every day, at least one short a day on YouTube. Follow along on Instagram. Instagram might be a day behind compared to YouTube. I'm not sure how I'm going to do things yet. And also, of course, it depends on internet connectivity and all those other things. Because I'm camping out in the middle of nowhere, then there's no internet. So we'll see what happens for that. But as always, I want to thank everyone that's watching this. Thanks for all the warm wishes that I've gotten on the previous videos about the trip. If you are along the route, I hope to get to meet you. It's going to be a pretty fast pace, but we'll get there. But as always, ride safe, ride often. Click that like button and share this if you really have other people that are interested. Maybe they're planning on going to Alaska. But ride safe, everybody. Thanks.